कक्षा नवमी विषयः संस्कृतम्. Today we have to discuss about two joinings together, Yan Sandhi and Ayadi Sandhi. Yan Sandhi has a certain rule made by Panini, that is Iko Yanachi. So according to this rule made by Maharshi Panini, इकः स्थाने यण स्यात् अचि संहितायां विषये. इकः means the given letters E, U, R and L. E includes both the E's Raswai and Dirghai. U means Raswau and Dirghau. R includes Dirghar with it, and L has no long form, that is only Raswa L. These four letters getting any vowel other than themselves, those can be called as Bhinnaswara. Bhinnaswara means other vowel. Other vowel, that means any vowel other than these given letters E, U, R and L. That means any vowel starting from A to Au, excluding these four vowels E, U, R and L. They get changed into Ya, Wa, Ra and La. Any one of both the E's will be turned into Ya. Any one of both the U's will be turned into Va. And both the Ru's will be turned into Ra. And L will be turned into La if they get any vowel other than themselves ahead them. Now examples. Udaharanani. A few examples are there. Iti plus adi ityadi. The last vowel of iti is E, Raswai, and the next vowel adjacent to E, that is A, and according to the Paninian rule, E is to be turned into Ya, and A will be written as punctuation as matra with Ya, and halant will disappear. So the word will be ityadi. E, ta, Ya with halant, and A, when A is written with Ya as punctuation as matra, halant gets disappeared, and then the rest letter, that is the new word is ityadi. Similarly, su, agatam, swagatam. The last vowel of su, that is U, and the next vowel is A, and U will be turned into Va. Then A, and now A will be written as the punctuation matra A. Then the new word, that will be swagatam, sa, va halant, and halant will disappear when a is written as a matra. Then the next letters what has been left till now will be written together and the word will be swagatam. Then pitru agya, pitragya, the last vowel of the word pitru, that is r. R will be turned into ra, and a will be written as matra, and halant will disappear. Then the whole word will be written as like this: p, ta and ra together they are written like this, tra, and then the matra, the punctuation of a, and the rest letter, that is ja. Thus the new word is pitragya. Similarly, l akriti, l, that is to be turned as law, and a will be written as matra, la, and the rest letters will be written directly and the new word will be lakriti. Now oyadi sandhi. According to the rule of Maharshi Panini, एचोय वायाव, एचः क्रमात् अय अव आय आवः स्युः. H, the given letters A, O, I and O, they accordingly get changed into Aya, Ava, Aya and Ava. A gets changed into Aya, O gets changed into Ava, I into Aya and O into Ava. If they get any vowel, here there will not any vowel other than themselves. That means if any vowel come ahead them, these four letters, then these letters A, O, I, O will be turned accordingly into Aya, Ava, Aya and Ava. So let us see some examples. Ne, anam, nayanam. The vowel that has been written with ne is A, and the next vowel is O. According to the rule, A will be turned into Aya, and when O, the vowel O is written with any consonant, then only halant disappears and O has no matra, then the letter will be as Ya. So when we take A away of Na, only Na remains with halant, and when we write Aya with Na, then the halant will disappear and Ya will be written there. Ya has O with it and there will be no halant. Then the rest letters will be written directly and the word will be nayanam. Similarly, bho, anam, bhavanam. The vowel with bho, that is o, and o is to be turned into wa. Then anam, when a joins wa, then halant gets disappeared, and bha is prior to va, that will be written directly, and the next letters excluding a are also to be written directly, and the word will be bhavanam. And then nay, akah, nayakah. The vowel with nay is I. I is to be written as I. Nay, the vowel with nay is I. I will be written as I. Na is there before I, and na will be written, a will join na, then it will be na. After na there is ya, and the rest letters are akah. They will be written directly, and the new word will be nayakah. Now pau akah. Similarly, the letter pau has the vowel au with it. According to the rule, au gets changed into aw. Pa aw will be written as power, and Holland will disappear because a is ahead to it, and then kah, pavakah. So these are the examples of ayadi sandhi, and a few examples have also been done in yana sandhi. These are the examples of yana sandhi, and this is how we have discussed both the sandhis yan and ayadi. And this much for today. Thank you.